In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scroll down on any web page using Power Automate Desktop. This is a handy skill, especially if you're working to automate web tasks that require interacting with specific parts of a page. Let's get started and dive right into the process to make your automation journey smoother than ever. First things first, we need to launch a browser. You have the option to use either Chrome or Edge, depending on your preference or the specific task at hand. This is achieved by using the Launch Chrome or Launch Edge action in Power Automate Desktop. A key tip here is to ensure that your browser is properly set up for automation, which might require enabling any necessary extensions or settings particularly tailored for web automation tasks. Once you have the browser open, navigate to your desired web page, one that has the specific element you want to scroll to. Now, with the browser ready and showing the web page, we're going to capture a UI element. This is where the UI Elements pane comes into play. What you're doing here is essentially telling Power Automate which part of the page you're interested in. It's important to be precise in this step, as it dictates where you'll eventually scroll to. Utilize the UI Element Capture feature to select the element you want to automatically scroll towards. You might find it useful to name the UI element clearly, so it's easily distinguishable if you're working with multiple elements or within a larger flow. After successfully capturing the UI element, the next step involves focusing on this element. You'll want to drag across the Focus Text field on Web Page Action into your flow. Picture it like telling your browser, "Hey, this is what I want you to zoom in on." To configure this action correctly, you'll need to fill in a couple of important details. When configuring the action, start by selecting your web browser. You'll choose the browser instance you previously launched, whether that's Chrome or Edge. The second critical piece of information is the UI element. Here, you simply choose the UI element you captured earlier. At this stage, double-check your selections to ensure everything is set correctly. With everything configured, it's finally time to run the flow. By executing the flow, Power Automate will take over and automatically scroll to the specified element you've defined. This seamless process can save you time and effort, especially on web pages that are long or complex. Congratulations! You've just learned how to use Power Automate Desktop to scroll to a specific web element, streamlining any tasks you have that require detailed web interaction. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on mastering automation.